Hey guys, Joe Jaguar here, your best friend, science, astronomy, and telescopes. Well, I hope at least one of them. Just wanted to give you guys an update. So what happened, I did not get my eyepiece case and my accessories. That is still lost. I did buy on AliExpress the SV Bony. I bought the pack of 4, which is the 6, is it the 10, the 15, and the 20 millimeter. The Red Line series eyepieces. I'll post a picture, so that's great. It should be coming when I get back to Canada. So I did not get that back, but right now we're at the last 2 days we're at Liberia. It's like a medium-sized city in Costa Rica, and the last 2 nights were clear. So there is, from this little small rustic resort, has a little bit of sky, but south is over there. So right now the sun is over up that way, so south should be that way. And over here they have these little casitas. So this is like the courtyard, and see they have I don't know if you can see these little wooden casitas there. They got a swimming pool here. You know, it's nothing fancy. There's a couple more casitas right there. Anyway, just gonna kind of show you guys here, and there's a couple more over here. Anyway, so I did not find my eyepieces. I'll replace it at home, but it's a nice little resort here, and here is the dining room over here. This is where breakfast was included. Nothing fancy, but you know, it's a nice, sometimes you don't always have to go fancy all the time. But, you know, I had problems with StarSense on this phone, which is my iPhone 17 thin, and it doesn't work. Now, I did change one thing. So I had it on, you know, when you can change the telescope. I had it set it on the 8-inch Dobson, so I put it down to the 4.5-inch reflecting telescope, which is what the module came from. And I'm hoping when I go home I can test it and see if that worked. But I also downloaded StarSense on Angela's phone, as you know, my fiance, and to see hers is a 14 Pro. And I tested it, and it did work, the StarSense. Remember, too, there is also Astro Hopper. And I know he watches sometimes my channel, so if you can't afford to buy a module or a StarSense, Astro Hopper is free. So give it a shot. It also works very well. But anyway, so I tried StarSense on her phone, and it worked. Now, I did see a couple things, like I didn't know I could see Eta Catenae, but I definitely saw it. Remember, I only have a 32 millimeter super palazo, so it only gets me about 24 power, but you can definitely see it. Now, somebody asked me, one of my subscribers, he does text me fairly often, his name is William, and he asked me, what did I think? Is it as bright as the Orion? Because Orion's not too far away. And I said, I think it might be just a little bit dimmer than Orion and a little bit smaller maybe, but very comparable. So I saw Eta Catenae. I did see the Southern Pleiades, and I did see like 3 or 4 clusters in the sky. I didn't mark them down because that was my first test. If StarSense was going to work on, you know, her phone, and it did. So I really didn't photograph or do any videos for you guys. So I'm just explaining to you guys the update. This little resort thing. This was actually done by a Canadian person who came down here and bought. And if you guys wanted to stay, if you're ever in Costa Rica and you wanted to maybe stay in a resort like this, that's not too fancy, but decent. It's run by nice people. Now, most of them, of course, speak Spanish only. When you're in these little getaway things. But, you know, it's nice. Okay, so anyway, so if you guys want to stay at a little off the beaten path, little cabins, a little tiny resort that's kind of rustic, with nice people, nice food, nice atmosphere, that doesn't always have to be a 5-star Hilton or whatever those big ones are called, and you know what I mean? Try out these little resorts type of thing. They're nice, they're a good price, you meet some of the locals, and you have a good time. and you get to learn a little bit, of the country. Besides all the, the big hotel towers that, where one person makes all that money. Let's give a little bit to the resort people and the little places that aren't as lucky as the big name brands. And that's it. Let's help out. Anyway, like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you on the next video. I'll post where this resort is and the name. And if you're in Costa Rica and you want to check it out, why not? Why not you? Why not me?